Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Dodge Viper. This two-door coupe has a 10-cylinder, 8.4-liter V10 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Dodge is a steal with less than 1,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and power windows.